Hello, my name is Dr Christiana Themistocleous and I'm teaching the Language and Gender course. This module is available to second year students on the BA English Language and Combination courses, and in order to be able to do this module you will need to do English Language in Society and Sounds, Grammar and Meaning on your first year. Now, the aim of this module is to provide students with an understanding on sociolinguistic research on gendered language over the past 40 years. So we're going to see the development of theories which attempt to explain the differences in language between males and females. So basically we're going to start with earlier essentialist approaches and theories like lack of, and then we're going to move on to the latest contemporary paradigms. So we're starting with the theory of deficiency, which was proposed by Lakoff, and then we're going to move on to difference, and the most recent approaches include post-structuralism, community of practice, and we're also going to use critical discourse analysis. The topics that we're going to cover include gender differences in everyday conversation and also in narratives and storytelling. Then we're going to move on to power and identity, and we're going to see how males and females use language in order to perform their gender identities in various contexts and with different interlocutors. Then we're going to look at language and sexuality. And then we're going to move on to looking at gender in different communities of practice. We're going to see examples from the workplace, from politics and education. And towards the end of the module, we're going to look at gender ideologies in the media, so how the media create ideologies and stereotypes in relation to males and females. So we're going to look at examples of texts like newspapers, magazines and advertisements, but also we're going to look at genres like animated films. The format of the teaching sessions is as follows. We're going to have 1 2-hour session every week. Now these sessions are going to include activities and discussion. So the assessment of this module involves a multiple choice test on Blackboard, which counts 10%. So students will have to read some case studies and do 3 multiple choice tests on Blackboard. The first assignment is a 1,000 word report, which has to be submitted on week 5 of spring term. This is 30%. And the second assignment is a 2 to 2,500 word report, which needs to be submitted on week 1 of summer term and counts 60% of the overall mark. For the reading, I'm using Talbot Mary, Language and Gender, which is the required reading for every week. However, other texts are also going to be referred to during the lectures. And also, I'm using Language and Gender, a Reader by Pichler and Coates, 2011. This is the book that contains the case studies that students need to read for their multiple choice test. I will also give some additional reading. Some of the examples are presented here. Thank you very much.